Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges or the universities. And here the opportunities are there for the only postgraduates as well as the UGC candidates also. Here the opportunities are there, and the no application fee, no written examination. So you may apply from any state all over the India, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section. Then if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges or the universities. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Into the present content of the video. So out of the different colleges, the first college we are going to see here is the KK Wagh Education Societies. So KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research. From this college here we got the walk-in interview notification, and you may check down assistant professor in the subject mathematics, physics and chemistry, and the qualification requirement is PG in the particular subject with NET or the SET qualification, and the technical assistant computer or MC or civil or electronics and telecom or the electrical or mechanical, diploma with first class or else the BE in the relevant branch, and the lab assistant also required physics or chemistry, so BSc physics or chemistry with the first class. And whoever the qualified and eligible candidates are there, they are requested to come in person with the original documents for the written test and demo at 10:30 AM and the department level interview for the all the above post at 2:30 PM on 17th Jan 2022. Fine. And the terms and conditions, all these things depends upon the college education society rules. And coming to the second college is the Zuleika College of Commerce, Science and Technology. So from this one here, they are asking for the recruitment of non-granted vacant positions. The BCCA Computer Application UG and the BBA UG. The number of posts for the assistant professor category also mentioned here, and the full time. The last date for the submission of application is 21st Jan 2022. Okay. And if you want to get the complete details regarding this one, complete details means the qualifications, pay scale and each and everything, then you need to visit the official website of this college, and the interested candidates may send your relevant documents whatever they are saying to the Zuleika College NGP 786@gmail.com, and here one more mail ID is also there. And if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, here the contact numbers are also provided. Candidates are required to submit the 2 passport size color photographs along with the application. Okay. And coming to the next one is the Shyama Prasad College for Women. So from this one here, the leave vacancy position is there for the mathematics subject, and the date of interview is on 17th Jan 2022. And the only candidates of Delhi University ad hoc panel are eligible for this one. The reporting time will be 30 minutes before the scheduled time. Okay. So the scheduled time is morning 11 AM. And coming to the next one is the Center for Distance and the Online Education, Sambalpur, Odisha. So from this one here, we got the one associate professor and one assistant professor each in the Department of Commerce and Education on contractual basis for 11 months. The date of walk-in interview is for the Commerce on 18th Jan 2022, and for Education is on 19th Jan 2022. And the candidates are required to report at 10:30 AM on the date of interview with their original certificates, mark sheets, publications, and other details in the conference hall of the Sambalpur. And the TADA will not be provided. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you may visit the official website of this one to know the details of the post remuneration and all these things, and you may send your CV or the resume to the official email ID, that is ddceadmn@gmail.com. Okay. And coming to the next college is VSB Engineering College, Karur, so Coimbatore. And from this college here we got the professor, associate and assistant professor recruitment for the departments of agricultural engineering, biomedical, biotechnology, chemical, CSA and IT. And the salaries are also mentioned here, 21,600 to 90,000, and other benefits also available. Qualifications as per the AICTE norms. So for the assistant professor, as per the AICTE norms, you can only post graduation in the particular discipline is enough. Okay, and if you want to go through the complete details, then you may visit the official website of this college. So you need to apply within 10 days to the secretary by post or else the email. So email is the best one. So jobs@vsbec.com. Selected candidates has to join immediately or the next academic year. Okay, and coming to the next college, it is the Asansol Engineering College from Kanyapur. From this college, here the principal professor and associate professor in the departments of ECE, electrical and computer science are there, and training and placement officer, assistant training and the placement officer. So base location is Kolkata, and the qualification UG or PG, preferably with engineering background, and experience also mentioned here. So the resume and testimonials, PAN and Aadhaar card has to be sent to the aec.recruitment.kol@gmail.com within the 15 days. And coming to the next recruitment notification is from the Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science for Women. So assistant professor vacancies are there from the women candidates only for the departments of Commerce, English, Management, Computer Science, Biochemistry, Microbiology, Mathematics. So preferred qualification first class and post graduation with NET or SET or PhD. Experience minimum 2 years is required. And interested candidates can apply within the 7 days to the principal Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science for Women. So here the address and the contact number is also given here. So the interested candidates may go through the official website of this one. Okay. So these are all the complete details, and here the email ID is given as principal@srcw.ac.in. Okay. So these are all the different recruitment notifications. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now, So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want